certain condition is met. And or would again tell you if the conditions are met or not, if certain conditions are met or not. So for example, you have yield, you have price, you have par value. So this is one bond's characteristics. Maybe there are many bonds, and for those bonds you need to check which bonds are as per your criteria or not. And your criteria is, let's say for example, price 913 and yield 5% or whatever. So and condition can be used to check whether all the conditions are met or not. So for example, if I look into it, it will compare yield with yield. If these two are equal or not, these two are same, so it will mark it as true. Then another condition, 913 913, these two are also same. As all the conditions are met, it will mark it as true. So and would tell you that if all the conditions are met or not, or would tell you if a certain condition is met or not. So for example, if I do it 999, and will change or will remain the same. Why? Because or will tell you if any of the conditions provided met or not. So in this case, price is not the same, but still yield is the same. So or will give you a true result, but and will give you a false result. Why? Because price is different. So and would check all the conditions, and true false would check only one condition.